ready for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting minigames with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! A beautiful day on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the... That's perfect! Cool! We're always happy to help. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Good job! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Great! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curves. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left, excellent! Excellent! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Where to now? Left leads to... Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. I love that. Great! Super! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Knapford Station's just ahead. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Great! Where to now? Forward leads to... Left leads to the... Forward leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to... The steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Thanks for helping out.